Toggle switches really are the easiest way to boost the user experience in Dynamics. Let's save your users clicks by taking your form from this to this. Let's talk about how to add the toggle control on your Microsoft Dynamics forms and one really important detail that you need to know. To be honest, I think the toggle control should be on just about every Boolean on your form. I can imagine at least one use case where you wouldn't want to use the toggle control, but I'm wondering if you have any in mind as well. So if you think there's something that I am not thinking of, go ahead and let me know down in the comments down below. Now let's go ahead and get into the demo. As always, here we are back in the Power Apps Maker portal. We are looking to add some toggle switches to our account form. So go ahead and find your table, and then go ahead and find the account you're looking to update. In this case, it is my account main form. Now for today's example, we are wanting to change all of these contact preferences fields to be toggles as opposed to these drop-down Booleans. Under the Details tab here, you can see the fields that I'm actually referring to. Now there are a couple ways to add the toggle control to the fields on your form, but the most beginner-friendly way is clicking on Components in the ribbon, then opening up the Input section and finding the toggle control. Be sure to drag this control onto wherever in the form you want this toggle switch to be. Once you have placed this on your form, you'll need to select the actual field you want this toggle control to sit on. Let's go ahead and add a toggle for all 5 of these fields here. If it's not obvious, you can only add toggles to Booleans. You cannot put them on an option set or any other type of fields. It can only be Booleans where the values are 0 and 1. Now to make our form a little cleaner, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the fields that do not have the toggle control. I am gonna leave this last male field so that way you can see how the toggle control impacts the actual field in real time. There is still one thing to mention when actually using the toggle control, and it will all make sense here in just a second. Once your form is good to go, go ahead and save and publish your form. While this is publishing, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for sticking this far into the video. If you made it this far or have any questions or thoughts, put them down in the comments down below. Reading those comments, especially the heartfelt ones, are the best part about making these videos. So if you want to, go ahead and let me know your thoughts down there. Okay, we are done publishing. Let's go ahead and take a look at our account in Dynamics. You can see that all of these fields have now been changed to use the toggle control. This is gonna save the user's clicks, and in my opinion, it just looks so much cleaner. Now that thing I said to keep in mind, if you use these toggle switches, it will be updating the field in real time. You can see as I select the male toggle switch, then the male Boolean just above it will switch accordingly. I'm not saying this is a bad thing. I actually think it's a good thing for it to interact this way. I'm just saying that if you have workflows or custom code or business logic on these fields, it's important for you to know that these toggle controls will interact with the data in this way. And now that you have the toggle control successfully on your Dynamics forms, you may be wondering what are some other ways that you can boost the UI or the UX of your Dynamics forms. If that is you, go ahead and check out this playlist here. It is going to talk about a bunch of the other controls in Microsoft Dynamics that you can get on your form today. Your users are going to thank you. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of the video. My name is Griffin Lickfeld, the host of Citizen Developer, and as always, I'm excited to connect with you guys in the next one.